Tangsalo Rajakhor Agolini Press Club o Kaisa Panda ne bisingte Shalsop Tripura Mungwi Kaisa Bijap Tikhwlaimani Panda o Manjaka Hasini Hastepa Indra Senare Dinalono Khoboi Kubun Ozamarok
Tripura মাটির উর্বরতা পরীক্ষা ফসল চাষবাস ও গবেষণা এবা শৈলব ত্রিপুরা মুঙ্গৈ কাইসা বিজাব টিখলাইজাকা টাংসালো রাজাখর আগুলিনি প্রেস ক্লাব আর সালনি পান্ডাও মানজাখা হাস্টেনি হাস্টেফা ইন্দ্র সেনারে দিনালো আকর্ষণ আর বিজাবনি বিশিংতে সাইমানাই ত্রিপুরানি এগ্রিকালচারনি নাহার মুংরক ববহাই
included so many photographs of insects and pests and diseases of plants and vegetables and crops and the nutrient deficiency of various crops. It will help the cultivators to ascertain the correct insects, pests, diseases and particularly nutrient deficiency in crops and to take necessary precautions by using pesticides, fungicides, weedicides, etc. I congratulate this author for that and I am very happy that this book has been launched in my hands. Recognizing the vital role of agriculture in India's economy and society, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has accorded top priority to this welfare of farmers, which constitute the largest workforce. Through a plethora of central schemes, his government has addressed various critical issues facing farmers, including soil health, irrigation, credit and market access, demonstrating a steadfast commitment to their empowerment and well-being. Immediately after assuming charge as Prime Minister, while addressing the agriculture scientists, Modi ji emphasized the importance of soil testing kits and soil health cards, placing them at the top of his priority list. Notably, he highlighted these initiatives even amidst a multitude of pressing issues, underscoring the critical role of the soil health in India's agricultural development and his government's commitment to sustainable farming practices.
Rajakhor Agolini Simi Obitni Kokthum Chini Khorang